Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing some brake pads on this G37. It's my commuter. The rotors are shot too, but we're going to do that at a later time. So let's do it.
So you shooting blindside, I aim straight for the frames, huh? I don't take no L's, my boy, I learned from y'all mistakes, huh? I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction.
There's my lug nut. All right guys, now we got the tire off. We're gonna need a 14mm wrench. We're gonna need a 14mm socket, and then a screwdriver if you don't have a C-clamp or a piston depressor, whatever the hell you call it. Okay, so first things first, we do that. Okay, now, oops. Oh, wrong way. We don't even have to loosen that. Okay, so now we gotta pull the brakes off and these shims as well. Let's see how bad this brake was. Yikes. It was bad. All right. Man. Well, that wasn't that bad. The front part was. And that rotor shot. All right, here are our brakes. I got the Professional Platinum. We got to get the shims. And then we got to match up all the pads. Let's see. Pop that in. Man, that was bad. All right. There you go. Goes. Okay. Good to go. All right guys, putting the Wheel back on. Come on, there we go. Got it. Shot.
I don't take no L's, my boy, I learned from y'all mistakes, huh? I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to get used to keeping check of how I